Hello, and welcome back to my channel. If you've been following me for a long time, you know that today's video will be a nail art tutorial with some tips and tricks. Do you want to see? Just keep on watching. I thought I would start by showing you how to make these glass beads that look like flowers that you can apply as nail decoration on your nails. You start by making a small ball of solid gel glue and then dip it in caviar beads. Depending on what base you want on the flower, you can choose any color you want. Now we will start shaping the ball by dipping it in builder gel, and then we harden it for 60 seconds. After we have hardened the ball, choose which color you want to apply to the ball. We try to strive so that it resembles leaves, and when you have painted it clear, you harden the ball again. Now repeat the steps again, until you are satisfied with the size of the glass ball, and here. You can see several variations I have created, using the same method, but with different colors. You can make as many glass flowers as you want with different colors. The variations are endless. Are you interested in trying it? Tell me how it went for you in the comments section. Now, we start creating the nail design. The base of the nail is painted with 2 layers of a light pink gel color and cured between each layer. I will only apply the red color to the lower part of the nail and then cure. After that, we are going to apply nail glue before applying the caviar beads, rhinestone, pearls, and the glass balls. Take your time with the placement of the nail decoration. When you are done with the placement, you cure the nail for 60 seconds, and for the final step, finish the nail design by applying. Now we're going to do nail number 2. Here, I've painted the base black to match my glass ball. Here too, I'll apply nail glue first before I start applying the nail decoration. When it comes to nail decoration, you don't always have to place the nail decoration the same way I do. Feel free to choose your own style. When I'm happy with the placement of the nail decoration, I'll harden the nail and finish with top coat. Now we have come to the third nail. The base of this nail is 2 layers of the color red. Now I had thought that we should do an ombre around the nail with the color black. Apply as much color as you want until you are happy with the black ombre on the nail. When you are done, you cure the nail for 60 seconds. Then, it is time for the fun part of applying nail decoration on the nail. Is this a design you could consider doing? Feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Now we are almost at the end of today's video. What did you think of the video so far? Feel free to leave a comment what you want to see in the future, or if you have any questions. I am here for you. I have painted the base with a burgundy color twice. Before I place the nail decoration, I will apply nail glue and then cure the nail. Finish the nail by applying top coat and curing for the last time on this nail design. That's the end of today's video. I hope you learned something today, and it was nice to have you here. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care.